The Prime Minister inaugurated a 13-kilometer section of the Delhi-Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System corridor. It connects Sahibabad in Uttar Pradesh to New Ashoknagar in Delhi. During this event, the Prime Minister took a ride on the Namo Bharat train from Sahibabad station to New Ashoknagar station, interacting with children and passengers along the way. My colleague Anushka gets us these details.
First Namo Bharat RRTS train has just come to the New Ashoknagar platform. We have just boarded the train and we are showing you the visuals from inside of the Namo Bharat RRTS train. So this is quite different from the Delhi Metro that the people in Delhi are used to, because this train is entering in Delhi for the first time. We are showing you the visuals. Now this, you can see the seats are quite comfortable here. Also, there is this space where people can put their luggage. So this is one feature that we did not have in the Delhi Metro. And also we are showing you the seats. The seats are also different. This is a two-seater, where two people can sit quite comfortably in this whole coach. We are showing you all the visuals from the Namo Bharat RRTS train. Quite comfortable seats we are showing you. Also, this is the this is the standard lounge. There is one premium lounge as well, where people who have taken this premium tickets can go inside and sit here. And we're showing you the visuals from the RRTS train. Now we are showing you about all. This is the board wherein the destination is written. Also, this one feature resembles the Delhi Metro, but also we are showing you that this is the RRTS, quite different from the Delhi Metro, since this is the first time the train is entering Delhi NCR, marking a significant progress in the Namo Bharat project. So we are also showing you a demo of the seats here. Now in Delhi Metro, there were parallel seats opposite side of each other. Now this, we can see that this can get reclined, so two people can sit here quite comfortably. Also, there is this charging point, a USB cable point wherein people can charge their mobile phones. Also, we have a space, to keep our luggage. This is one thing that is quite different from the Delhi Metro, since the RRTS is entering Delhi NCR for the first time, making this whole journey from the New Ashoknagar to Meerut South quite comfortable, because we are also seeing that this is one of a kind, quite a revolution in the transportation sector. Also, a new era of transportation can begin from here, because this is like quite a significant step towards making transport not just convenient but also faster and money efficient, in a manner where people can have both the experience and also can save a lot of time while traveling through the Namo Bharat RRTS train. We have just departed from the New Ashoknagar metro station, and our last destination is Meerut South. And right now also we are showing you the visuals from outside of the train also. Its speed, the one distinction between the Delhi Metro and the RRTS is that this is way more faster than the Delhi Metro. It runs on 160 km per hour. Now this is a significant speed for a train, and also this is reducing the time to 40 minutes. Now for people who are boarding this train from Delhi, from New Ashoknagar in particular, they will reach Meerut South within 40 minutes of boarding this train. So we can also see how this can be time saving for the people who are about to have an experience of the RRTS Metro. With camera person Gauri Prasad, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.